Mask over your nose, baby. Okay, so here we go. Today is Friday the 27th. We are going to answer our EQs. We're going to make sure that learning styles is completed. I think that it is, but we're going to make sure it is. And then we're going to do testing strategies. Oops, sorry. Can you please let me do my job? I got this. If we don't have enough time, we move it to Monday, okay?
What's the after number two the two one say? The bottom one.
Huh?
What does the bottom one say?
Test strategies. Okay. Then I'm going to go over my Canvas page and make sure that you know how to submit assignments. And we're going to submit our assignments today. Going to submit our work for this week. Okay. We don't have any homework on Fridays. And if we finish, then we'll get to do the coordinate plane, which I don't know that we'll finish. But if we do, then I have a coordinate plane picture that I want you to do. All right, let's take out our interactive notebook, please. Our composition notebook. Please make sure you raise your hand so we're not just floating out. What'd you say, Lauren? Okay, take out your composition notebook. The last page that we left off is on page 10. We're getting ready to answer our EQs, but I want you to take it out. Yes. Submit work. All right, let's turn and let's answer our EQs together. Let's turn and answer our EQs together. What is a coordinate plane? I'm going to say it out loud. A coordinate plane is a graph. A graph where the X and the Y axis cut the graph into 4 quadrants. Okay, so a graph where the X and Y axes cut the graph into 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. Okay? X and Y axis cut the graph into 4 quadrants. This type of graph is used to plot ordered pairs. Okay? So we're going to say used to plot ordered pairs or graph ordered pairs. Okay? Please write this down. I will ask you this again, and you need to make sure that you have it. Okay? Because this is a question I'll ask you again. Remember, ordered pair looks like this. The first number is the X coordinate. The second number is the Y coordinate. And we've been dealing with that all week, okay? First number, X coordinate. Second number, the Y coordinate.
Is that about an X when it says
X coordinate, Y coordinate?
No, like when it says the graph where the X.
4 quadrants. A graph where the X and the Y axis cut the graph into 4 quadrants. Used to plot ordered pairs. And this is what an ordered pair looks like. The first number is the X coordinate and the second number is the Y coordinate. The next question is describe how to graph ordered pairs. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the X coordinate on the X axis. Find X coordinate, that first number right here, on the X axis. That's first. Find the X coordinate on the X axis. Remember, the X axis is the horizontal number line. It's the number line that goes from left to right. Hey, Mr. Suttles. And then secondly, you're going to find the Y coordinate on the Y axis. That's the vertical number line, the up and down number line. So find the Y coordinate, that second number, on the Y axis. Okay? Find it. So you got your X and you got your Y. Okay? And then you're going to graph the point where those grid lines meet. Okay? You're going to graph or plot a point where those grid lines meet. Okay? And then I'll go wherever they meet, that's where you plot that point or that order pair. Okay? All right, I'm going to pause for the calls. Give us a chance to write. Okay, so now I want you to put this to the side for a moment because you'll need this to take your pictures and put on and submit. Okay? So I want you to take out your composition notebook, and please make sure that you have put your learning styles on this page 10. Okay? That was yesterday. Please make sure that you have done that. Yes. I can't hear you. Move the paper?
No, I need the paper.
Oh, okay. You gotta speak up because I can't hear what you're saying, okay? I can see you pointing, but I can't hear you. Okay? All right, for those of you that don't remember how we paste that down, I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, look at this. What I did was I folded this in just like this. Okay, so now it's a half. And then I folded this back. And I put glue on this side right here. And I turned it over. And I made sure that I paste this down so that if I open it up, I could read it. So this is what it looks like when it's pasted down. You can open it up and you can still read it. Okay? All right, and we went through that yesterday. Today, let's do Q1 in the corner, and we're doing PG page 11. Okay, and we're doing test taker strategies. I should put good, right? Okay. We're going to paste this down here. Remember, there's glue in the pencil pouch that's directly beside your desk. It's attached to either the back part or the side of your desk. Let's take that glue stick. Don't paint with it, but make sure that you put glue on the edges. Just enough so it'll stick. Mr. Settles, could you help her get her notebook together? Because she hasn't been here. Yesterday was her first. Yeah. Was your first day? It was your first day, right? Yesterday. Okay. And what's your name again, baby? Leilani. That's right. Okay. All right. And then Leilani, make sure you sign up for Remind so I can start sending you videos and things like that. Okay. Did I give you a sheet yesterday with the Remind code? Okay. Good deal. All right. So let's go through this together. Good test taker strategies. These are some strategies that you can use or that you should use for every test or assessment that you take. The first is to have a positive attitude. Note, take a mental note that it may be challenging, it may be tough, but you can do this. Yes. It's not one in there? Okay, give me a second. Yes. Thank you. It may be tough, but if you have a good attitude going in and taking your test, it goes a long way. Okay, you'll answer way more than you think you could by being positive versus being negative about the situation. 2, relax. If you kind of feel your anxiety going up, anxiety is a mental type thing. If you can relax yourself, that can kind of bring that anxiety that you have down. It happens to the best of us. So just take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, relax your body, relax yourself. Just keep in mind that the words on the page are not going to pop up off the page and smack you. It's not going to smack the taste out your mouth. It's challenging, but it's not physically going to hurt you.
That's right. Sorry.
No, you're
She
fine.
doesn't have that packet that you couldn't have to.
It's an extra one in that stack on the end.
Right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So you're welcome. Thank you for helping. All right. So just relax. Take a deep breath. Stretch your legs. Okay. Think of things that make you happy. Think of how good you're gonna feel when it's over and when you are successful. Okay. Me only. Don't worry about others. Don't focus on what's going on around you. Don't try to compete with other people. Okay. Just do your personal best. Don't worry about nobody else. You are your top priority. Worry about you. Don't think about anybody else. Focus. Okay? Make sure that when you get off focus, you start daydreaming. Remind yourself, okay, let me get it back together. Sometimes you might need a little mental break. Your mental break should be no more than a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes at tops. And then get back to work. Because sometimes we do need that little small mental break. Most standardized tests will build in those mental breaks for you, where they tell you to stand and stretch and all of that stuff. Mental breaks are important. But when you take a mental break, you got to come back and get to work. Okay? Make sure that you're pacing yourself. All right? Prepare your body. Don't set yourself up for failure. Get a good night's sleep. Make sure you eat a little something in the morning if you're not a breakfast eater. Just eat a little something so that during the test, the last thing you have to think about is your stomach growling. Don't eat too much because the last thing you want to think about is having to go to the bathroom because you're full. Okay? So just a good little bit of something, it will go a long way. Just a little something. If it's nothing but an apple or a pear, okay, or some kiwi fruit or something healthy, a little juice or some water, something small, even some crackers. But don't go in hungry because that's the only thing that's going to be on your mind is food. So make sure you take care of your body. Get unstuck. Look, we all get frustrated, but you got to talk yourself out of that. Talk yourself down off the ledge. Tell yourself, look, it's almost over. I got this. It's okay. I got this. You got to be confident. Believe in yourself, okay? All you got to do, if you really, really get stuck and you need some more time to think about it, bookmark that one and come back to it. Come back to it when you have built your stamina and your confidence up, okay? Bookmark it and move on. and then come back at the end. All right? Make sure, even if you don't know nothing, know in your mind that in most cases, if it's an A, B, C, D answer choice, you have a 25% of guessing it right. Use the process of elimination. Which one of these is just the dumb answer? Like my teacher ain't never said this in her life. So why I'm going to choose that one, okay? Use common and logical sense also. This answer don't make no sense as it pertains to the problem. Eliminate that, okay? Go slow, not too slow. I would say pace yourself. Read the directions though. Read those slowly and carefully. Make sure you understand it. Don't try to understand the whole thing. Understand one sentence at a time. Talk yourself through it. This sentence means this. Then this sentence means that. Okay? Read the directions before you get started. Because sometimes they'll say which one is not the answer. Okay? So read the whole question. Do your best. Please do your best. Be sure that you are doing your best work on your test. Think clearly, read carefully, and put your best foot forward. Questions, comments, or concerns? Gavin, sit up, babe. All right. So now you can close this up, put this away, take out your packet. We are going to start submitting assignments online. I'm not taking up paper. Okay, we in COVID right now. I'm not taking up paper. We're going to submit these things online. I'm going to walk you through how to submit work online. If you forget how to submit, I'm recording the video. So if you forget, go back and watch the video. Okay, I will have it on my Canvas page, the video, and I also send videos out daily on Remind. So if you're already set up with Remind, then you've already received my videos on a daily basis, and that's just the stuff we do in class. Yes. What's what, baby? Remind, yes. Did you sign up for Remind? Remember that little slip of paper that I gave you? Anybody else need the little slip of paper didn't sign up for Remind? Here you go. It's the bottom one. Take out your phone and scan it. Go ahead and sign up. All right, here we go. Okay.